Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to cash out Steam Wallet. Okay, first things first, visit the G2G website, which is the g2g.com, and create an account. You'll then need to provide an email address and your mobile number. Since you'll be selling services or game on G2G, you need to sign up as a merchant. Just follow the registration process and provide all the necessary information about yourself. On G2G, you have several options to sell, including game accounts, in-game items, or gift copies of games. You can then choose what suits you best. If you want to sell games, start by going to Steam and selecting the game you wish to sell. View the price for the game and add it to your cart. During checkout, choose to purchase it as a gift. After purchasing the game as a gift on Steam, you can list it for sale on G2G. Set then your selling price and wait for buyers. When a buyer purchases the game on G2G, you can then send the game as a gift to their Steam account and you will receive payment on G2G. And as simple as it is, you can cash out Steam Wallet easily. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now cash out Steam Wallet. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.